Okay, let me see here. So is this thing on? Yeah, yeah, I think it's on. It's testing, testing. Can anybody hear me? Testing. Okay, good, good, good. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is the alphabet. I mean, how many of us know about the alphabet? I know the alphabet is comprised of a couple of letters, and we gotta figure this out. So I figure if we talk about the alphabet, then we'll be able to understand what's going on. So how about we talk about the alphabet? Why? Why you want to talk about the alphabet?
Why you want to talk about the alphabet? Seems stupid. Alphabet. You want to talk about the alphabet? I'll tell you. You want to talk about the alphabet? You want to talk about the alphabet?
Testing, testing, testing. Me. More, 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 more.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Stop that. Stop.
Why? Why should I stop it?
Because I don't like what you're doing. I'm trying to see if this camera was working, and you're making a lot of noise.
Yeah. Well, so are you.
No, I was just testing a few things. That's why I was saying me, mo, stuff like that.
Yeah, I was making noise too. See?
No, no, that I'm not making noise. I'm testing the sound. There's a difference.
No, there isn't.
But yes, there is. Like I was making sounds that you would normally hear when someone's testing the camera.
Why does that even matter? I mean, you're just testing the sound, so as long as you hear sound, I think the goal is being accomplished. I was just trying to help.
Stop.
Dude, what's your problem? I'm just helping you out. See, watching.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Don't do that. No, 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 no. We won't be doing that. Nope. Okay. Are you finished? No. Okay, just go ahead and finish. Thank you. Okay, I'm done.
Yep, I'm done now.
Go away.
But I don't want to go away.
Just go away.
But I want to go away.
Why are you here?
I'm here to help.
You're not helping.
Yes, I am. Watch.
Okay, stop. You can go away. Oh, go. Just go. Okay, so testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing. 1, 2. Me, mo. No. I thought I told you to go away. Yes, I did.
I went away from the camera.
No, you're still in the shot.
Well, what difference does it make?
You just said go away. You didn't say how far. Get out of the camera. Oh, okay, fine.